First, thanks to All Rights Reserved 3237 for this excellent question. I wonder why it's so perfectly round. Gravity, pressure, and centrifugal forces act on our sun, pulling it together in a ball of gas. But the sun is not a solid, and many stars like Altair are fatter near the equator due to its rapid rotation and non-solid state. In fact, Altair is 42 to 22% wider than it is tall. But our sun is quite the oddball of our universe because it is one of the most spherical natural objects ever measured. In fact, this oddity of perfection has scientists asking questions and writing new studies. Jeff Kuhn and Isabel Scholl from the University of Hawaii and Marcelo Emilio from the State University of Ponta Grossa in Brazil have used the helioseismic and magnetic imager, or the HMI, aboard the Solar Dynamics Observatory satellite to obtain new scientific answers to this natural oddity of perfection. According to their measurements, if the sun were squished down to the size of 1 meter in diameter, its equatorial diameter would only be 17 millionths of a meter larger than its diameter through the poles. Our sun rotates about every 28 days, but because it is not a solid object like the Earth or Moon, it should be a little fatter in the middle. It is, but not to the degree one would expect. They found that the solar flattening is remarkably constant over time and a little too small to agree with what's predicted for its surface rotation. This suggests that other subsurface forces like solar magnetism or turbulence may be a more powerful influence than we first expected. Even during the solar maximum, when our sun is switching magnetic poles, the shape doesn't really flinch an inch. The sun is 99.9997% perfectly spherical in shape. I look forward to keeping up with their studies as they piece together more data to explain this marvel of nature. This is Dobbs reminding you to keep looking up and asking questions.